Hello, hello, hello. So, what I'm going to be talking about and what I have in front of me is the Zep commercial PowerFoam tub and tile cleaner with the fragrance of morning rain. And just a description of what it does: it involves tough soap, scum, calcium deposits, and light scale. And what it cleans: the tub, the sink, shower. And then on the back just gives a description on how to clean it. I actually don't wait 1 to 2 minutes, and what I mean by that is I wait longer. Like, I don't just spray the tub and then I immediately wipe it away. First off, I really want to talk about the scent. The scent is very strong. I wouldn't, in my opinion, I don't know if morning rain is a scent that I smell, but I do know I have a sensitive nose. So that being said, that scent is very strong. Like, it's stronger than Clorox in my opinion. Like, as soon as I spray, I have to leave the bathroom. I don't know. It's a very, 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 strong scent. I mean, it does its job, and normally I spray my bathtub every day to prevent rugs, the bathtub rugs from coming or whatever. So I like to spray, to prevent it. Use it on my sink just because of the smell of how strong it is. But I do use this mostly every day. I also spray in the drain too, because my mom told me that actually prevents like spiders and bugs coming up, and the spiders is a little tricky thing. So but I really don't have any complaints with this. It's just the smell. I mean, the smell is so strong. It's so strong. But anyway, it also gives you, like a description of what you can use it on. Acrylic, fiberglass, glass walls, and so forth. And then it also tells you of what to do not, should not use it on, like marble, natural stone. You get the idea. So I mean, I was gonna say, I don't know if it comes with any other scents. I do know that it comes with a mildew spray as well. My opinion, it's not really the best to use as far as if you're trying to remove anything with mildew on it. I believe it's like a green bottle. But this is just, mostly to use like the tub and tile cleaner. Like I said, it's on the bottle, One of the things that I do like, despite the smell, because it's so strong. I'm sorry I keep bringing it up, but it is strong. But it cleans thoroughly, like even when I wait 5 minutes, it doesn't dry up quickly. Like, I know some sprays, it dissolves real quickly as soon as you spray it. And then it has, of course, the off and the on, that when it comes out, when it's going to spray, when it's not going to spray. But anyway, so normally when I'm spraying, the bathtub, I wait about like a good 5 minutes to come out, and I should get a mask to keep procrastinating. But anyway, come back in, it's still moist, it's still wet, wherever I'm making sure that the rug is not going to come. Just give it a nice little scrub, whatever. It says that I don't have to do any scrubbing, but I use a brush to clean my eye. With this, you can actually wipe. I think I only wiped like one time just to get like some of the shampoo I left like on the wall, whatever, sprayed it and it came right up. But anyway, another thing about it that I like is that when you put it on spray, and there are some products where it's foam, and as soon as you spray, the foam kind of drips down on the nozzle, on this part where it sprays out of, it's like really foamy around where you're spraying it at. So with this bottle that I found is that whenever I'm spraying, it easily disperses out. You know, the product is spread out and sprayed out evenly. It's not just one big squirt that's shooting at one particular direction. It's amazing. That's another thing I like. I mean, it's foamy, but it's not like dripping, you know, all so much of the product is still dripped on the nozzle, creating a huge mess. That's another thing what I do like about this bottle. Other than that, I really don't have any complaints. Like I said before, I mostly try to use this every single day. I haven't used for, what other stuff it said? I know I said I haven't used it for my sink. Okay. Now, if you do have I need to try this. If you have a shower door, it's saying that you can use that as well, even though glass walls and doors. I definitely got to see if it uses, if it works for that. I just know that it works really good in the bathtub, and that it leaves, even though after when you wait a little while, because like I said before, I do have a very sensitive nose. The smell, when it kind of like calms down a little bit, it does give the bathroom like a nice fresh smell, fragrance to it, like a nice aroma in the bathroom. And that's what I like about as far as when I'm cleaning stuff. Like, even if I'm spraying, I'm not doing a whole hard work of cleaning, really, really cleaning thoroughly. Just want to give it like a light spray to prevent any dirtiness from coming or whatever. This product does leave a nice aroma scent after a while, like when I wait a little bit. It does smell fresh, but it smells like it doesn't stink, but it's stronger than Clorox. It just smells like a real strong cleaning aroma product, if that makes sense. But anyway, again, this is the Zep Commercial PowerFoam Tub and Tile Cleaner. And again, the fragrance is Morning Ray fragrance. And again, if you're looking for something to remove with the mildew and stuff, I believe they have one. I know it says mildew on it, and the bottle is green.